Okay, how we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another amazing episode by Life Made Easy. Today we got a laptop overview video. Once again, 2020 Lenovo Legion Y540. Not too familiar with Lenovo's gaming line, especially their Legion brand. But yeah, we're gonna hop right into it. Before that, subscribe to the College Made Easy podcast if you haven't already. Link below. Go check out the podcast. Give it a listen. I'm sure you guys will like it. Also, shout outs to the channel members, Tracy Markley and the Titanium Ninja. I'll put their names up on screen somewhere. I don't know when I'm editing this. And if you guys want to get exclusive shout outs on the channel for free, well, just become a channel member, hit the join button down below, help support the channel, and you'll receive exclusive shout outs. So let's just hop right into the Legion Y540 by Lenovo. So 15.6-inch gaming laptop. Thing that really attracted me was I didn't think the price was that high. A little steep, but could be a little more expensive for what you're getting here. 144 hertz display is amazing. I don't know if you guys have seen a high refresh rate display before, but it changes everything so much better than 60 hertz. Just things look a lot more smooth, and it honestly makes your screen like it makes you want to use your laptop more just because of how high quality the screen is. Now I don't know how great this is in terms of resolution, contrast, and color accuracy. However, 144 hertz is amazing. i7 9th gen, awesome. I mean, at this price point, if you're paying over $1,000, there's no reason you shouldn't have an i7 or like an AMD Ryzen 7, something like that. You got 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is good. You can upgrade that. Well, honestly, all laptops usually give you the option to upgrade RAM. Can't really think of too many models that actually limit you when it comes to that. We have 128 gigabyte SSD, so you can put Windows on that, so everything boots up really quickly, as well as a terabyte hard drive. So you can store larger files on that. We have an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1616 Ti, which is a fantastic graphics card, but just keep in mind you're not going to get the same performance as the full 1616 Ti. Like, this is the mobile version. Obviously, they have to make it compact and put it in a laptop, so you're not going to get as great a performance as the real thing, but got 6 gigabytes of video RAM, which is great. I'm assuming the standard RAM is DDR4. I don't know. I can't see why it'd be DDR3. That's kind of like passe and old at this point. But Legion Ultimate Support, Ghost Mantra Gaming Mouse. So the cool thing that attracted me to this especially was like, gives you just like, it comes with a mouse. Like, I mean, why wouldn't you want this? Like, to be honest, it looks like a nice mouse. It doesn't look cheap or anything. I'm not too familiar with Ghost. Oh, did I say Mantra? I think I meant to say Manta. Like a manta ray, basically. $30 value. I mean, like, cool. Throw it in. What does it say? Ghost Manta wired premium gaming mouse. Cool RGBs on there. Not complaining. The overall look of this is pretty sleek. The inside, to be honest, kind of looks old. Maybe not the keyboard, but the mouse pad. Kind of looks like an older laptop with the keypad, but it's not that big of an issue. It's the mouse. Here's the overall look. As you can see, like the display. Oh, can I not zoom in? What happened? It just doesn't want to let me zoom in on this. The screen is like, the hinge is not on the edge of the base here. It's like more moved forward, which is weird. But yeah, I like the black sleek look. Move to another picture. Here's from the back. As I said, the screen's like pushed forward a little, and you do have I/O on the back. Kind of tough to make out here, but it looks like USBs and Ethernet. At least that's what I can tell from there. And then maybe that's a USB and a headphone jack on that side. Maybe a USB and a Kensington lock. I don't know. A lot of the ports are on the back, which is cool. I respect companies doing that. 1080p IPS panel, so it should be pretty good. White backlit and a high response keyboard. So any backlit keyboard is great, just so if you're using it at night, you can actually see what you're typing. Ergonomic gaming experience. I mean, I want to see how thick it is. That's honestly a huge component here. But I touched on a lot of these specs here. I don't care too much about the mouse, honestly. That's just a bonus. I want to see the thickness of this thing. So if we can, 802.11 Wi-Fi, great. So it only has 8 ratings, so not the biggest sample size, but has gotten really good reviews. Only 4 and 5-star ratings, so I wouldn't trust that too much. I trust it a little. It doesn't have the biggest credibility because the sample size is so small. So it's over an inch thick, so it's not that thin. I was hoping it'd be a little thinner. DDR4 RAM, as I mentioned earlier. And the thing is, like, you can never really tell the battery life just by what they say here and how big the battery size is. It's a 5-pound laptop. That's pretty average, on par with other laptops in this price range. 1080p, 6 Ti, 4.5 gigahertz, sorry. Memory speed, that's awesome. Yeah, I mean, bought this for college and gaming in my spare time, and so far it's been working incredibly well. I hit a solid 120 FPS in heavily modded Minecraft, and a solid 160 in Smite, so I really couldn't be more happy. That's great performance for a laptop, guys. It can be a bit loud at times, though, and it may be a bit expensive for only 250 GB SSD, but other than that, I'm happy. So they probably got a different model here, but whatever. I like this laptop. Little pricey, but you are getting really good specs on this thing. I would love to know more about the battery life. You can never really tell that too much just by looking over these like specs and stuff. It's hard to tell. But you do have an i7 and it's pretty power efficient. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, share this with your friends and family members. Comment down below a laptop or desktop PC you want me to check out and do an overview video on. I'd be happy to do it. As always, thank you for Titanium Ninja and Tracy Markley for becoming a channel member. If you guys want to become a channel member and get shoutouts like them, just hit the join button down below and help support the channel. I mean, that's basically it. College Me Easy Podcast, subscribe. Help me get to 100 subs over on the channel. Links below. Go check it out. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.